In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the QuickBooks Online Undeposited Funds account. The Undeposited Funds account in QuickBooks Online is designed to act like a virtual cash drawer or holding account for customer payments. Instead of sending every single payment directly to your bank register, you park them in undeposited funds first, then group them into a single deposit that matches what actually hits your bank. This makes your bank reconciliation cleaner and helps you avoid confusing mismatches. Let's start with how to record payments into undeposited funds. Anytime you receive money from a customer, you'll either create a sales receipt or record a payment against an invoice. For a sales receipt, go to the plus new menu and choose Sales Receipt, or from the home page, select Create Sales Receipt. This is what you use when you're getting paid at the same time you make the sale, like in a retail situation or when you're charging a customer on the spot. If you're collecting money on an invoice you've already sent, go to the plus new menu again and choose Receive Payment. That tells QuickBooks that you're receiving money for an existing invoice. In either case, you'll start by selecting the customer and then filling out the rest of the form. Enter the date, the payment method, and any reference information you want to track, such as a check number. The key step here is the Deposit to field. Instead of choosing your checking account, open the drop-down and select Undeposited Funds. This is what routes that payment into the holding account so you can bundle it with other payments later. Once everything looks correct, save the transaction. You'll repeat this process for each payment you receive that you plan to group into a future bank deposit. Now, when you're ready to take those payments to the bank, or when your batch deposit hits your bank account, it's time to make a bank deposit in QuickBooks. Go back to the plus new menu and select Bank Deposit under the Other category. At the top of the deposit screen, choose the correct bank account from the account dropdown. This should match the real-world bank account where the money is going. Below, you'll see a list of payments that are currently sitting in undeposited funds. Check off all the payments that are included in the deposit you made at the bank. The total deposit amount in QuickBooks should match exactly what your bank shows for that day's deposit. When you're satisfied it matches, save the deposit. Those payments move out of undeposited funds and into your bank account in QuickBooks, making your records align cleanly with your bank statement and simplifying your reconciliation.